As we get older, our hair starts getting thinner and weaker. Or even worse, we lose it altogether. Historically speaking, that gives us a few not-so-great options like wigs, toupees, comb-overs, or terrifying chemicals. But now there's a better choice. Particles Hair Revival Kit, the no BS, totally comb-over free way to energize your scalp, toughen hair follicles, increase thickness, and fight hair loss. Skeptical? You should be. But keep listening. This stuff works. Particles Hair Revival Kit is a first-of-its-kind combination hair and scalp cream plus scalp massager, a powerful duo to give you back the thick, healthy hair you used to have. The hair and scalp cream is a highly potent fusion of 9 clinically proven, not scary ingredients including things like biotin, hemp oil, and capixyl, an innovative peptide that prevents loss and improves hair growth. Just apply the cream to your scalp once every 3 days, right after washing. Then massage into your scalp for 30 to 60 seconds with our special silicone massager. This helps you absorb the ingredients better and stimulates scalp circulation. Plus, it feels awesome. But don't take our word for it. Look online and see what real men have to say about their results. Oh, and if you're not as happy as they are, don't worry. Particles Hair Revival Kit comes with a full 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. So, back to those options. You can cover up your thinning, brittle hair. You can use scary, creepy chemicals from even scarier megacorporations. Or you can fight hair loss with Particles Hair Revival Kit. And next thing you know, you'll be thicker and stronger at the roots. Get Particle Hair Revival Kit today, risk-free.